Yo, what's going on everyone? It's another video today talking to you about my two new monitors that I'm changing over. So AOC kindly gifted me some new monitors that I should use just to kind of upgrade my setup, man. I felt like my setup that I had now was okay. I had one 2K monitor, one 4K monitor, but I needed to get the just the nicest and most recent up-to-date monitor. So yeah, that's what I got. The monitor is the U28G2XU2. It's a bit of a mouthful, but yeah, this is the second gen monitor, the G-Line second gen 28-inch gaming monitor. So the screen size is 28-inch, panel resolution 3840 by 2160, refresh rate 144 Hz, response time G to G, which is gray to gray, 1 millisecond. Sync technology is FreeSync Premium. Panel type is IPS. HDR is VESA certified display HDR 400. And the speakers is 3 watt 2 times. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, man. I've always wanted to have two 4K monitors, and now I have. So shout out to AOC for sending me them. I appreciate it. The first thing that I realized is the colors. The colors look so cool. Like, it just looks so vibrant and fresh from my last monitors. The last monitors were good. They were really good. But I noticed just the colors stand out so much. So yeah, I was like, whoa, this monitor looks really good. So another thing I realized also is that navigating through certain things as well is still the same. You have to kind of touch underneath the monitor. 1 millisecond response, G to G stands for gray to gray, and it represents how long it takes for one pixel to change between one gray level to the next. So I'm definitely gonna need it for fighting games. Fighting games is very time based and reaction based as well. And yeah, these two monitors are just the best fit for me. Fast response time also eliminates ghosting and motion blur. MPRT is moving picture response. Through the reduced time a frame is shown on the monitor, ghosting and blurring effects are reduced heavily, resulting to a smoother and more fluid feeling when it comes to gaming experience. So I'm going to show you. This video is in 4K, so you lot can turn it up on YouTube and see how it looks. We have the VESA certified display HDR 400. Even the lowest level of high dynamic range feature poses a significant upgrade to common monitors. And the reason why I say this is because I never had HDR on the other monitors. These two both have HDR. And then it also has the FreeSync Premium. Enjoy the best quality visuals even in fast-paced games. The AMD FreeSync Premium technology ensures that the GPUs and the monitor's refresh rate are synchronized, which provides a fluid, tear-free gaming experience at the highest performance. The AMD FreeSync Premium features a refresh rate of a minimum 120 Hz, decreasing blur and sharpening the picture for a more lifelike experience. The LFC feature eliminates the risk of stutter in case the frame rate drops below the refresh rate. There's also other features like minimal bezel distraction, height adjustable stand, pivot function, just in case you want to put in your HDMI or your USBs into the monitor and you can't really see it. You could just put a light under, you can swivel, you can pivot it, and yeah, you could do it. It is 180 degrees, so you can go from landscape to portrait. Maybe you got two monitors and you need a third one and you want to read the stream chat and stuff. Maybe that's one way to use it. It has low input lag. You get 6 different display games mode on your monitor as well. So you get FPS, racing, RTS, game 1 and game 2. So you can adjust it to your preference. You also can download AOC G Menu for a free tool to install on your PC. You can customize the monitor to the maximum potential. So when I looked at this monitor, I wanted to have a look because they said, oh yeah, you could choose a monitor. And I went on the website and I read what it said about the monitor. And it said, level up your gaming experience with a 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 resolution. Enjoy a fluid and ghosting free gaming experience for your favorite RTS and RPG games with a response time of 1 millisecond, gray to gray, G-Sync and FreeSync. Certified VESA HDR 400 and a pixel density of 157 ppi ensures astonishing picture quality and immersion. Get the maximum out of your console performance through HDMI 2.1 connectivity. The built-in USB hub, which has 4 ports, allows easy access to peripherals. So yeah, I had to get it. I said I want this one. I want monitors that I can use where the performance looks great, Quality looks good. There's not too much going on the panel or anything like that. It just looks clean, and these just look straight to the point and clean. All right, so we have the on-screen display that I wanted to talk about. Let's check the on-screen display. So as you can see, we've got the game settings. So you got extra as well, so you can do like loads of different other things as well. So like off timer, input select, DDC, DCI, reset if you want to reset to manufacturer settings. Let's go back. And then you've got luminance as well, contrast, brightness. If you feel like the contrast and brightness is too high, change it. The gamma, HDR mode as well. You got HDR. I think you got HDR game, picture, and movie. Yeah, so you can switch it up or turn it off. And then you've got color setup as well. So if you come out of that, color setup, OSD, which will show you the display port capability, height position, vertical position, volume, PIP if you want to have two things set up, game setting as well, so you can change the game mode, shadow control, low input, low blue mode, overdrive, and all that stuff. Then you have extra, so if you want to reset to manufacturer settings, you can. And then exit. Yeah, there's quite a few settings on there. It's pretty cool to know your options and stuff. But yeah, that is the on-screen display. Now let me show you the verdict. So as you can see from the setup, it's straightforward. Plug it in, you got your own thing. You don't need no screwdrivers or anything like that. It was very, very straightforward. I got on with it. You can see some gameplay with Tekken on. Really enjoyed it. 4K, then I went down and tried it on 2K and stuff like that as well. Yeah, these monitors they're the real deal. Love them to bits. I'm gonna have fun with them. I'm really gonna miss the old ones too, but then again, I don't know. I just love AOC monitors, man. I feel like they're just the number one for me when it comes to just doing whatever I want to do. If I want to edit, if I want to play games, if I want to, like, it's just, I've never had a problem. I've never looked back. I've been with AOC for so long, and I just don't see it changing. I'm gonna list the goods and the bads. If you lot like what's content, remember to subscribe. Also as well, as I said, the second gen has HDMI 2.1. The first gen never had the HDMI 2.1. So this is another reason to get this monitor for your next gen consoles, which is the PS5 and the Xbox Series X. Thank you lot for watching, and I'll be gone.